Imagine staring at spreadsheets until midnight because manual billing workflows are drowning your finance team in errors and delays. Controllers, accountants, analysts, and APAR managers all know the pain of chasing payments with clunky tools. This pack changes everything. Automate invoice generation with custom templates using mustache.js. Integrate Stripe/PayPal APIs for multi-channel payments. Optimize dunning workflows with NLP-driven segmentation, and track revenue recognition in real time with GAAP-compliant accrual logic. No more frantic reconciliations or missed cash flow deadlines. Your spreadsheets might start feeling neglected, though. Here's what's inside the Invoice and Billing Systems pack. Automated invoice generation with dynamic field mapping, payment gateway integration for Stripe, PayPal, and ACH, AI dunning workflows with sentiment analysis for retry logic, real-time revenue recognition engine with deferred revenue tracking, compliance modules for tax calculations and audit trails, embedded analytics dashboards for AR, AP aging reports, error handling with root cause detection. Each phase comes with working code templates, performance benchmarks, and progress checklists, and it works everywhere. Claude Code, Cursor, Gemini CLI, Windsurf, Copilot, Warp, and more. Your finance stack just got a supercharger. Installing the Invoice and Billing Systems pack takes one command. npx quanta-skills add invoice-billing-pack. That's it. You'll download the full workflow: invoice generation engine, payment processing API connectors, dunning workflow logic trees, and revenue recognition modules with GAAP rule sets. Your next Claude Code session picks it up automatically. Your coffee might get cold while the AI devours 10,000 invoices, but hey, that's progress. Now, go reclaim 10 hours a week for strategic work instead of spreadsheet hell.